Hey everyone, my name is Amadeo, and I'm proud to say here's my first car. This car is a 2005 Mercedes-Benz E500 4MATIC. The chassis code on this that many people know is the W211. There's two main reasons why I bought this car. First being because it's a W211, and for me it is one of the most gorgeous and elegant sedans that exist today. Mercedes does not make their cars like they used to. I think we can all agree on that. And the second reason is because this car, being an E500, inhabits the M113 engine. For those that don't know what that is exactly, we're going to be getting into that later. But first, let me give you a little history about this car. This car was first produced in 2002, with then later a facelift in 2006. This car is equivalent to the E60 BMW. That was its main competitor at the time. When looking back at the window sticker of this car, it made me laugh. This car is listed as a sedan slash a limousine. And as you can tell, it's not that small of a car. I honestly thought the color of this car was blue at first, until I later found out it's called gray metallic. Let me know what you guys think. The M113 engine is a 5.0 liter V8 that was also used in the E55 AMG, except missing the supercharger. This is quite the big engine and puts out 302 brake horsepower as well as 460 Newton meters of torque. All that power is paired to a 5G-tronic transmission. A peek of the inside for you guys. The back as well. The wood trim and the black just tops off this car for me. Taking a look inside of the car now. One of the main things I want to point out is this moonroof. Another is these three buttons here. First, the car has 3 different airmatic suspension modes. Secondly, you can raise the suspension. And most important, you can switch between comfort and sport. I'm not going to be going through any of those today, but definitely stay tuned for me to go over everything in detail. Let me know what you guys think, and definitely look forward to more videos on the channel with this car. I have some very exciting plans with this, so stay tuned.